Welcome to the tutorial series on the MetaTrader 5 Toolkit by Scope Markets. In this tutorial, the focus will be on closing open orders or trading positions on your account. Previously, we learned how to open a new trading position. Now it's time to see how you can close an order. In the trade terminal, you can view your active trades. For example, here we have two open buy orders, one on the Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc, and another on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. To fully close an order, such as the dollar versus yen position, locate the order in the trade terminal. To the floating profit or loss, you will see an X button. Clicking this button will close the trade immediately. The closed order can then be found in the trading history, which we will cover in another tutorial. Now let's look at partially closing an order. Take the open buy order on the Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc with a volume of 0.1 lots. To close part of it, double-click the order to open the trade window. In the volume field, change the amount from 0.1 to 0.05. Then select the option to close 0.05. The order remains open, but the volume is now reduced to 0.05 lots, as half of the position has been closed and the profits booked. This is how you can close an open order in MetaTrader 5.